Considerations for mobile graphics. This video presents a few high-level concerns for the developer planning graphics for a new app. Among the first choices to make is whether you should use template or custom graphics. User interface kits, SDKs, and developer resources from platform providers include a set of graphics and a design template. Yet, many app developers and their clients choose to create custom graphics. So which approach is better? Well, sometimes budget is the driving concern, but there are other important issues as well. There are advantages to using the pre-built template graphics kit. Speed. Using templates can help accelerate the app development cycle. Often, creating custom graphics adds an entire design loop which can slow down progress, especially at the early prototyping phase. Consistency. At this point in mobile communication, apps and mobile web services have begun to take a standardized shape. Graphics, and the way they use the screen space, are becoming consistent from platform to platform and from app to app. You can break that pattern, but it's a bit risky to do so unless you're certain you have killer graphics. Cost. Obviously, graphics that come bundled in the SDK add no overhead to the project, especially early in the design cycle, and especially for a startup or an individual with limited capital. That can be important. Simplicity. If your app provides basic, simple functionality, simple graphics can reflect that philosophy. In this case, your graphics are, in a manner of speaking, invisible. Your total focus is on the app's function, and your graphics contribute to that simplicity. Template graphics can also promote your professional or serious intent. Depending on the project, sometimes cuter is not better. And template graphics can promote your app's performance, especially its speed. Standard graphics included with the SDK are predetermined or optimized to work with the platform and bring out its best performance. On the other hand, sometimes custom graphics make sense too. If budget is available, sometimes the money is spent on graphics whether they're really needed or not. Sometimes graphics can be used to engage advanced or specialized functions, such as rollout graphical menus or specialized icons. Custom graphics can create visual impact. Because of the emergence of standardized graphics on mobile apps, customization gets more attention and creates unique awareness, especially if it's striking. One big issue is mobile games, which embrace all of these reasons for customization. Games are all about gameplay first, but spectacular or memorable graphics can really set your game apart. Thanks to customized game graphics, everybody can now visualize an angry bird, right? Finally, custom graphics can create an unexpected event when graphics are used to put a unique or surprising look on a standard function. As you're debating between template and custom graphics, there are a couple other important issues to consider. One is your information design. Which approach gives the user the richest information experience, which may or may not be visual, and which depends on your original purpose for the app. The other important issue to consider is a fast-changing application infrastructure. Apps built using standard graphics from platform SDKs are much more likely to survive platform updates and changes. The new kits are much more likely to be backward compatible with the graphics. This has been a brief overview of considerations for graphics when designing mobile applications.